YouTube, what is up with y'all? It's your boy AJ Got Kicks, back at it again with yet another shoe video. And today, as you can see by the title, we got some heat. And I was able to get it for a steal, in my opinion, off of, you know, our boys over at the GoDaddy, man. Shout out GoDaddy, man. Y'all been blessing me. I never actually bought from StockX. All my purchases that are like used or whatever, resale market, has all come from the GoDaddy. So, you know, shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all. Before we get into the shoes, y'all know what to do, man. Y'all know to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and, you know, turn on post notifications, bro. We are so close to 100 subscribers. You know, I can feel it. It's really close. So please, man, if y'all like the videos, y'all like the content, you know, please hit the subscribe button, share with y'all friends, share with y'all boys, all that good stuff. Because, you know, we bringing bangers, man. We have some pushbacks, but we still gonna bring them heat. I promise you, we still gonna bring them heat. So please, could you please subscribe, hit the like button, share, comment down below, you know, turn on post notifications. But so as you can see, man, it comes in a brown box with the brown tape, so you know it's coming in from the GoDaddy. Man, this is one of their staples. But anyway, let's go and cut into this box. Let's see what these shoes looking like. Okay, let's get into it. So, opening this up, and you can see right here, we got a Jordan 1. Yes, man. Let me go put this box down. But anyway, pause this video and, you know, let me know down below what you think I got in this box, man. What you think I got from the GoDaddy? So, but anyway, let's get into it. So, we got an Air Jordan 1, size 11, my size, and man, let's just get into the shoes. And yo, these, oh my God, these are crazy. These are crazy. These are crazy. I built up the suspense. Is the suspense built up? Y'all wanna see it? Y'all wanna see it? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 1 UNC/Obsidian things, yo. And these, if you ain't got these, first of all, what are you doing? And second of all, you need to get these. I don't know why I wasn't getting these shoes when they came out 2019. Like I said, I took a break on buying shoes for like 3 years. And then all of a sudden 2020 hit and now I'm back in the shoes. It's crazy. So I had to go back and get other Jordan releases that I really just missed on for whatever reason. And these were on one, like top 2, top 3 of the list. Like, just look at this. My favorite color is blue. And this shoe right here, yo. And look at the bottom, yo. Look at that. Would y'all believe that this was under the U section? Not even DS. Look at this. Look at that. If my guy who sold this to me, he wore it, either he wore it just to try it on, or he's a really good cleaner. Cause look at this. You can't even see like no pebbles, no dirt, no grime, no wood chips, no nothing. Like, and then no creasing on the shoe. Look at the back tab. Look at that. It's no creasing on the back tab. The inside, the Jordan Air is still intact. Look at that. So he just kept the regular laces that was in it, and he didn't even unlace this. So this thing used to be white. It says Gold Verified, and it has like all the checks, the color, shape, material, stitching, sole, label tag, size number, and all that good stuff. So, you know, legit, and everything also comes with this little sticker. You know, like stickers, put on your laptop or something. But anyway, these shoes look great. You know, because sometimes it doesn't look like the picture. Sometimes the pictures can be deceiving. People like to take pictures of it and lie and, you know, try to hide the flaws. But this guy definitely took care of these shoes. I don't know. I guess he just didn't want them anymore. But I will gladly take it. And after taxes, I think, and everything I'm buying this shoe, I think I was able to pay like $375 or $376 after taxes. Yeah, I think it was like $376 because there was like $345 like buy now. So I just bought it, and then it's like $30 with like taxes and I believe shipping. So it came out to be like $376. So that's not a bad price, because if you look on for my size at least, some sizes more, but I think it's like 5 something for this size. I'll put it up. But it's like 5 something for this size, then like new. And look at the bottom, like look at that. Look at that. Like, I will gladly take this for $370. Like, I will gladly take this for $370. This is a great shoe. I'm so glad I was able to. Shout out to Go again, man. Shout out to Go. I'm so glad I got this pair of shoes. But anyway, that'll do it for this video, yo. These shoes are rising and rising, so if you're gonna get them, you have to get them now. You just have to get them now. Some people actually think that these are better than UNC blue ones, and I don't know. I got to see my hand to make that, you know, assumption if they are better or they're not. But we're definitely gonna have to pick those up too. So we're gonna have to pick those up. We're gonna pick the Carmines. We're gonna try to go after these dunks. We're gonna try to get those fours, the top pays, however you pronounce those, and a lot of other Jordan releases coming out this year. This year is crazy. I thought last year was crazy for me. 2020 was wild, but 2021 is crazier, which is wild. Jordan brand, they seen the demand on Jordans rise and rise. So they're like, you know what? We got y'all, and I'm glad. You have to take the opportunity when you can, and you see that people want something, you gotta capitalize on it and make your money. So Jordan brand, you know, come on, keep coming up with the heat, because we all gonna buy them all. But regardless, you know, just wanted to show y'all the shoes I got in from GOAT today. Let me know down below if you got these or you're gonna cop these, or you know, just your thought. Did I overpay? Did I get finessed? On the shoe, you know, I read all the comments. But yo, please like the video. Please share it with anybody who into shoes or into ones or anything, or just, you know, the entertainment. Please share the video. Please also like, please also subscribe, and all that good stuff down below. We're almost at 100 subscribers. We're really close. So I really appreciate y'all if y'all were able to do that for me. But regardless, man, you know, I'm AJ Got Kicks, and with my kicks, bro, we out.
Money might walk. I'm walking in with the drill. I got a fee on my hip. Promethazine what I sip. I'm out the lane.